Hey, hi there, Manish here. So I saw that you're looking for someone who can assist you with ClickUp automations. So yes, I'm the one. I have more than 6 years of experience working with ClickUp and different kind of automations I have built using inbuilt functionalities within ClickUp, or it can be done using Make and Zapier kind of no-code, low-code tools, which can help us to integrate ClickUp with any other business application. Along with that, we can also build different kind of automation workflows with a wide range of different business applications. So today I'm going to quickly walk you through what kind of capabilities I have, what project I have done, and how I assisted businesses to automate ClickUp and integrate ClickUp with hundreds of different apps. So over here you can see, first of all, this particular scenario I built on make.com, and Make is one of the platform where ClickUp exists as a by default app. And over here you can see it has multiple triggers as well as actions. For example, over here we can watch for tasks. So if there is any new task created or there is any update happens to a task, it can be triggered the entire workflow. Along with that, we can have other multiple things like list task, get task, create task, and so on. We can work with list. We can also work with folders, spaces, target, goals, and so many things. Even custom comments can be created, views can be created. And finally, at the last, we can also do any sort of API calls directly from make.com. Similar to this, Zapier also another platform which can assist to automate the entire ClickUp space. So for example, in this particular automation workflow, I triggered this entire scenario using a mail hook. So whenever there is a new event coming on from any other application, this starts and it is taking out a particular sales order from Futura, updating into ClickUp, and this entire thing goes on. Plus there are a couple of even HTTP custom API calls are also being done. Apart from this, there is another scenario over here. It is starting with Xero. So whenever there is a new invoice created inside Xero, it gets started, it modify and create a particular email into Gmail, then Slack being notified, and also ClickUp task is being created with ChatGPT Copper and a couple of other integrations. Over here, this particular workflow watches ClickUp task, then get a particular task detail, use it or update it into motion, and then furthermore goes into ClickUp to update the custom fields. Now this particular scenario also works on again on a webhook based trigger, and this is an integration between Google Sheets and ClickUp. So the entire flow goes on, it creates multiple sheets, watches a particular row, as well as create task in ClickUp, and finally upload the attachment using Google Drive integrations. Now this is another workflow where the entire thing starts with ClickUp. So whenever we are creating a task inside ClickUp, that goes for a particular approval flow. So if task is approved or rejected, based upon that multiple things are happening. So it goes to a particular customs department for approval, and then furthermore updating that voucher or a file which is added into ClickUp into Google Sheets, Google Drive, and run the entire flow. So yeah, these kind of workflows can be built, and this is endless. So we can integrate ClickUp, we can build any type of automation workflow around ClickUp APIs. And finally, I'll showcase you one more thing over here. So this is a well-structured ClickUp API documentation, and here we can use any of these APIs, be it guest, goal, folder, or anything else, directly in our Python or JavaScript code, or using make.com or Zapier, and any business logic can also be applied. So I would love to contribute my knowledge, my skills with automation to your business growth. So let me know if you'd like to jump on a call and we can discuss how your project has to be taken forward. Thank you very much. Looking forward to hear from you. Good day. Bye.